Packing efficiency. Let us understand about the packing efficiency. Let us consider that you have a cubicle box. This is the cubicle box. Put tennis balls in this box. When you put these tennis balls in the box and fill it completely, now you will think that there is no space. When you fill this box completely with the tennis and making them close to each other, touching to each other, you will think that there will be no space in the box. But according to chemistry and scientifically, there will be space. There will be space in the box. This small space is called as voids. This small space is known as voids. It can be octahedral voids, tetrahedral voids. For example, sponge. This small space is called as voids. In whatever way the constituent particles, atoms, molecules or ions are packed, in whichever way these atoms, molecules or ions are packed, there is always some free space in the form of the voids. There will be always some free space. It might be tightly, very very tightly packed, but there will be some free space in the form of voids. Packing efficiency. Packing efficiency is the percentage of the total space filled by the particles. It is the percentage of the total space filled by the particles. First, we have to calculate the packing efficiency in different types of structures. Packing efficiency in HCP and CCP structures, hexagonal close packing and cubic close packing. Packing efficiency in body-centered cubic structures. Packing efficiency in simple cubic lattice. Packing efficiency. Packing efficiency in HCP and CCP structures. HCP hexagonal close packing, CCP cubic close packing. Both types of close packing are equally efficient. These both types of close packing are equally important. Let us calculate the efficiency of packing in CCP structures. CCP structures, close cubic packing structures. This is the cubic close packing, CCP. When you look this cubic structure from this side, you will get to see the four particles. You will get to see the four particles. These are the four particles named as A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Let us join this A to C. This is the diagonal. This is the diagonal of the four particles. There will be radius to each of them. There will be radius to each of them. R, R, R. This particle's radius is r. Diameter of this cube is 2r. Diameter of this cube is 2r. Now here we can apply the Pythagoras theorem easily to this triangle ABC. To this triangle ABC, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem to find the packing efficiency of the cubic structure. The edge length is A. The edge length of each side of the cube is A, and the diagonal is of 2r. Triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. In triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square according to Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equal to A square. We know that the side of the cube is A, so the square of this is A square plus B square. BC square is also the A square. A square plus A square is 2A square. AC square is equal to 2A square. When you remove the square of AC square, AC is equal to root of 2A. Root of 2A. A square get cancelled, so root of 2A. Next we can get the value of AC. We know the value of AC. We know the value of AC. AC is equal to root 2A AC. We can calculate the value of AC as AC is the diagonal. AC is equal to 2R plus, and the radius of the particle is R plus R plus R, radius of each particle, so that 4R. AC is equal to 4R. Putting the value of AC in this equation, 4 is equal to root of 2A. 4R is the value of AC, and 4R is equal to root 2A. We can get the value of A from this equation. A is equal to 4R by root 2. 4R by root 2, by simplifying again, it gets 2 root 2 R. 2 root 2 R. You can find the radius by using this formula. We can calculate the formula of packing efficiency by volume is equal to volume occupied by 4 spheres. Sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube in the unit cell into 100 divided by total volume of the unit cell. 4 spheres, 4 into this formula of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube into 100. Volume of the unit cell is a cube. Value of A is 2 root 2 R. A cube 2 root 2 R the whole cube. By calculating, you will get the 74% is the packing efficiency of the cubic unit cell.